So if you teleport into the zone, you'll see that I have a piece of wood here that you can freely toss around the map and it'll instantly reappear. And also that audio is spatialized, so if I yeet it over here, I can hear it in my right ear when it teleports back. Same with if I yas it over this shoulder, over on my left ear. Same with the saw. If you're wearing headphones, you can hear it. Anyway, after that audio was done, I then programmed in this highlight, which basically lets the player know that they're intended to grip here when they teleport into the zone. So when you grab that, this highlight appears. And if you try and go down and grab that because you're stupid, sorry, not stupid. If the user is having trouble understanding that they can't grab this, I have it so it toggles invisible when you let go of the grip. So then you can move this down into the position, and that'll automatically check to see if you've done so, and you can still see the animation playing clearly. And then if you let it go, same thing here. It's like, oh, you still have to grab this before you can move it up into position. So you can't grab that. I've had this problem. It's a legit thing. Then this trigger appears. So we modeled this remote, and then I programmed a material that pulses, intending that you were supposed to pull the trigger. And a lot of people, what happened when they did this was they went to grab this and it disappeared, but it didn't disappear before I programmed it in. So now it can only be seen if you're grabbing this, which then, if you try and press the trigger to activate the saw without seeing that, it won't work. So you have to grab this, then press the trigger to activate the saw, which is beautiful. Also, we have a bug right now where if you pull in weird, you'll hurt yourself, which is really aggravating, but I'm working on fixing it. So then you have this, which can be freely picked up, and if you drop it, this will disappear. So you're like, oh, sorry, you can't. You have to place this into the zone, and you can place this kind of in any way you want. So we're going to shave just a little bit off because I think that'd be cool. So then you grab this, and then this will appear, but if you take off, it won't. Now, if you're holding, then this appears. But if you let go of that, it goes back. If you let go of the trigger, it goes back to this highlight, letting you know that you need to grip, pull the trigger before you can move down and then cut the wood. So now that wood is cut. We have this wonderful little piece of wood that we can use in our projects. And we also have a bug currently where you cannot pick up a procedural mesh once it's been cut. I'm working on fixing that, but honestly, I have no idea how I'm going to do that. So for now, you have this saw, and once the tutorial is disabled, you can cut your hand to end the level.